about to try the other one. You're gonna be in here crying on your own show.
Right.
On your own show. We're gonna title this episode Unseen Tears.
Unseen Flames.
But
I gotta go in for another bite.
don't do it.
I gotta go in.
You're gonna cry.
And look, and you say I gotta get a bigger piece there. Good thing. Take another bite. I'm sweating. I think my eyeballs are sweating. Not because of tears. It's legit heat.
Yo, you crazy. Why would you do that? Why? Yeah.
Oh shit. Yo. I got a tear come from my eye. That might be a legit tear. All right, so we're ready to give us our opinions.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna start that first. Y'all got my head on my head because I'm trying to support myself. I'm trying to. I mean, I got real life tears, y'all. Look at my. Your drink hot. All right, so